Here some top 50 general science for RRB Paramedical CBT Exam. First question, which of the following is not a part of the human respiratory system? Option C, esophagus. Next, what is the basic unit of life? Correct option B, cell. Which vitamin is produced when the skin is exposed to sunlight? Correct option D, vitamin D. What does DNA stands for? Correct options. Option A, deoxyribonucleic acid. Next, which organ is responsible for pumping blood? Correct option is option C, heart. Next, what is the chemical symbol for water? Correct option is option C, CO2. H2O. What is the process by which plants makes food? Correct option B, photosynthesis. Next, which blood cell helps in clotting? Correct option is option C, platelets. What type of energy is stored in food? Correct option is B, chemical energy. Next, which gas do humans breathe in? Option B, correct option is B, oxygen. Next, what is the SI unit of force? Correct option is option C, Newton. Next, sound travels fastest in which medium? Correct option is option D, solid. Next, the main function of the large intestine is, correct option is B, absorption of water. Next, which part of the brain controls balance and coordinations? Correct option is B, cerebellum. Next, which of the following is a fossil fuel? Correct option is option B, coal. Next, pH scale is used to measure. Correct option is option A, acidity. Next, what is the chemical formula of a table salt? Correct option is option B, NaCl. Next, which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Correct option is option B, nitrogen. Next, what type of bond is formed between two atoms sharing electrons? Option B, covalent bond. Correct option. Next, which organ produces insulin? Correct option is option B, pancreas. Next, which planet is known as the red planet? Correct option is option B, Mars. Next, the human skeleton is made of how many bones? Correct option is option A, 206. Next, which is the smallest unit of matter? Correct option is C, atom. Next, which vitamin prevents scurvy? Correct option is option C, vitamin C. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? Correct option is option B, O negative. Next, which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Correct option is option C, leaf. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? Correct option is option B, 100 degrees Celsius. Which is the hardest natural substance? Option C, diamond. Correct option. Next, which organ removes waste products from the blood? Correct option is option B, kidneys. Which element is needed for respiration in humans? Correct option is option C, oxygen. Next, which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering? Correct option is option C, iris. Next, the hardest part of the human body is Option B. Correct option is option B. Tooth enamel. Next, which gas is released during photosynthesis? Correct option is option A. Oxygen. Next, which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Correct option is option B. Vitamin K. Next, what is the natural source of vitamin D? Correct option is option B. Sunlight. Next, what is the largest organ in the human body? Correct option is option B. Skin. Next, which acid is present in the human stomach? Correct option is option A. Hydrochloric acid. Next, which part of blood carries oxygen? Correct option is option C. Red blood cells. Next, the center of an atom is called. Correct option is option B. Nucleus. Next, what is the full form of AIDS? Correct option is option B. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Next, which metal is liquid at room temperature? Correct option is option B. Mercury. Next, which disease is caused by lack of vitamin D? Correct option is option B. Ricket. Next, what type of machine is a bicycle? Correct option is option C. Wheel and axle. Next, which energy source is non-renewable? Correct option is option C. Fossil fuels. Next, which vitamins help in healing wounds? Correct option is option C. Option C. Vitamin C. Next, which part of a cell contains genetic materials? Correct option is option C. Nucleus. Next, the basic unit of a heredity is. Correct option is option C. Gene. Next, which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Correct option is option C. Solar energy. Next, what is the normal body temperature of a healthy woman? Correct option is option B. 36.6 degrees Celsius. Next, which organ is in plants help in gas exchange? Correct option is option C. Leaf. তো ভিডিও ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই একটা লাইক করবে এবং শেয়ার করে বন্ধুদের মধ্যে শেয়ার করে দেবে হেল্পফুল মনে হলে। এটা আরআরবি প্যারামেডিক্যাল যে সিবিটি এক্সামটা হতে চলেছে তার কিছু জেনারেল সায়েন্সের উপরের এমসিকিউ কোশ্চেন্স অ্যান্ড আনসার্স। তো ভিডিও হেল্পফুল হলে বা হেল্পফুল মনে হলে অবশ্যই ভিডিওটাকে লাইক দেবে এবং লাইক শেয়ার কমেন্ট করে চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখবে অবশ্যই, আরও নতুন নতুন বিভিন্ন ধরনের ভিডিও পেতে। তো থ্যাংক ইউ এতক্ষণ ধরে ভিডিওটা পুরো দেখার জন্য।